Running a tech company often means working with clients and vendors around the globe, making seamless financial transactions crucial for keeping your business moving. But with these transactions comes an increasing risk: wire fraud. In this video, we're going to break down what wire fraud is, how it can affect your tech company, and why wire fraud coverage is a critical safety net. Wire fraud is a type of financial scam where cybercriminals trick your company into transferring money into their account. This often starts with a well-crafted phishing email or a fake invoice that looks completely legitimate. The scam might involve someone pretending to be one of your vendors, a trusted client, or even a senior member of your own company. These criminals exploit the trust built into day-to-day business operations, leading to huge financial losses. Consider this scenario. You receive an email from what appears to be your CEO, asking you to urgently wire funds to a new account to complete a deal. The email looks legitimate, using the correct email address and matching the tone of previous communications. But in reality, the account belongs to a cyber criminal, and once the funds are transferred, they're often impossible to recover. Tech companies are particularly vulnerable to wire fraud for several reasons. First, many tech businesses deal with large sums of money, making them attractive targets. Second, tech companies often move fast and work under tight deadlines, which can lead to mistakes or rushed financial transactions. Cybercriminals are aware of these vulnerabilities and exploit them using increasingly sophisticated social engineering techniques. In 2022, wire fraud and other related scams cost businesses over $1.8 billion, making it one of the most financially damaging forms of cybercrime. How wire fraud coverage can protect you. Wire fraud coverage is a type of crime insurance that can help your tech company recover if you fall victim to this kind of scam. Let's look at the specifics of how it works. First-party coverage pays for the losses that your business incurs directly. If you are tricked into wiring money to a fraudulent account, first-party wire fraud coverage helps compensate you for those financial losses. This type of insurance can be the difference between absorbing a financial blow and facing severe cash flow issues that impact your business operations. Third-party coverage protects you if a customer or partner suffers because of a wire fraud incident involving your company. For example, if a fraudulent email leads your company to mistakenly divert funds intended for a partner, third-party coverage helps manage the fallout. This can include covering legal fees, court settlements, or compensatory payments to the affected party. Often, wire fraud is part of a larger pattern of cyber threats, including ransomware and social engineering scams. That's why many companies choose to bundle wire fraud coverage with broader crime insurance policies that cover other scenarios. Social engineering fraud coverage specifically helps with scams involving manipulated communications, like emails or phone calls designed to deceive your team into authorizing a fraudulent transaction. Prevention is always the first line of defense. Here are some practical steps tech companies can take to protect themselves from wire fraud. 1. Verification protocols. Always verify payment requests through a second, independent channel. For example, if you receive an email requesting a wire transfer, call the requester directly using a verified phone number to confirm it. 2. Dual authorization. Implement a dual authorization process for all high-value transactions, requiring 2 or more people to approve a wire transfer. Greatly reduces the risk of fraudulent payments. 3. Employee awareness training. Cybercriminals often target employees, knowing that one mistake can lead to a successful attack. Regular training on how to identify phishing emails and other scams can make a significant difference. 4. Email security. Invest in a robust email security solution that helps identify suspicious emails before they reach your team. Advanced filtering systems can block phishing attempts and alert your IT team to potential threats. While these preventative measures are critical, they're not foolproof. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, and even the most diligent companies can fall victim to wire fraud. That's why wire fraud coverage is so important. It acts as a financial safety net, helping your company recover quickly without putting your entire operation at risk. In addition, many insurers provide post-incident support, such as access to specialized legal and cybersecurity teams to help manage the fallout of a wire fraud incident. Quick action is crucial to minimize damage, and having this kind of support on hand can make a huge difference in the outcome. Wire fraud isn't just a risk, it's a reality that tech companies face every day. With millions of dollars moving between accounts and the high-speed nature of the tech industry, having a reliable backup plan is more than just smart. It's essential. Wire fraud coverage can provide the peace of mind you need to operate confidently. knowing that if a mistake happens, you have the support to make things right. If you're interested in learning more about how wire fraud coverage can help protect your tech company, click the link in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe.